87% of people fear phone calls in English the most. After this video, you'll be comfortable speaking in any situation. Let's go! Answering unknown number.
Hello, this is Anna speaking.
Wrong number.
Sorry, you have the wrong number.
Bad connection.
I can't hear you very well. Can you speak up? Repeat that?
Making doctor/dentist appointment.
I'd like to book an appointment for next week, please.
Rescheduling meeting.
I'm afraid I have to reschedule tomorrow's meeting.
Customer service. Delivery delay.
I'm calling about order number 7781. It still hasn't arrived.
Leaving voicemail.
Hi, Mark. This is Anna calling about the report. Call me back when you can. 555-0198.
Ending the call politely.
Anyway, I won't keep you any longer. Talk soon.
Hotel reservation.
Hi, I'd like to book a double room for 2 nights from March 10th.
Calling tech support.
My internet is down. Can you help me fix it?
Job interview phone screening.
Thank you for your application. Can you tell me about your experience?
Calling in sick to work.
Hi, this is Anna. I'm not feeling well today and won't be able to come in.
Flight booking/change.
I need to change my flight from March 15th to March 17th.
Calling a friend you haven't spoken to in ages.
Hey, it's been forever. How have you been?
Cold call/salesperson.
Thanks, but I'm not interested right now. Have a nice day.
Taxi/Uber on the phone.
Hi, I'm at Sheremetyevo, Terminal D, Exit 5. White jacket.
Bank/credit card issue.
My card was declined, but I have money. Can you check?
Confirming a restaurant reservation.
Hi, I have a table for 4 at 7 p.m. under the name Ivanov.
Asking to speak to someone.
Hi, could I speak to Mr. Johnson, please?
May I ask who's calling?
Putting someone on hold.
Can you hold for just a moment? I'll check.
Returning a purchase.
I bought this yesterday and it's broken. Can I get a refund?
Emergency call.
Hi, my car broke down on the highway. Can you send help?
Asking for extension. Deadline.
Hi, I won't be able to send the report today. Can I have until Monday?
Landlord/apartment issue.
Hi, the heating isn't working in apartment 12 again.
Final polite closing. Any call.
Thanks so much for your help. Have a great day.
Fast recap. 15 golden phone phrases. 1. This is speaking. 2. Wrong number. 3. Can you repeat that? 4. I'd like to book. 5. I have to reschedule. 6. Something came up. 7. Call me back. 8. I won't keep you. 9. I'm not interested. 10. How have you been? 11. I'm not feeling well. 12. Can you help me fix? 13. I need to change my flight. 14. It's been forever. 15. Have a nice day. Tomorrow. Dating English first date phrases. 18 plus. Subscribe plus bell, new lesson every day. You just destroyed your biggest English fear. See you tomorrow.